Hey guys, welcome back to Mojo Watches. My name is Dave, and in today's video, we'll be unboxing the new Zelos 40mm Swordfish with a teal mother of pearl dial and giving you my first impressions of the watch. Let's get into it. This is my second watch from Zelos. The first one was also a 40mm Swordfish. That one was in a slate blue dial and made from titanium. This one is made from 316L stainless steel. Zelos is perhaps one of the best known microbrands in the world, based in Singapore, and they have gained a great reputation over the years for producing original design watches with premium specifications and great build quality. Zelos shipped the watch in a very nice quality watch roll. It's a dark blue PU leather with matching blue stitching and feels very premium and soft to the touch. Taking a look at the watch, and it is an absolute beauty. I really like the fact that the mother of pearl dials are unique so that no two will look exactly the same. This gives the watch great character. Each batch of the Swordfish is limited to 300 units and is numbered on the case back. The Swordfish is a model that has been out for several years, and Zelos has refined each iteration, tightening the tolerances, subtle yet noticeable improvements on the fin finish, nicer bezel action, etc. It really shows on this piece that the Swordfish is an established model in their catalog and perhaps the most recognized design as well. This particular model is 40mm in diameter. It's also available in a 42 if you prefer a slightly larger case. The bezel is 120 click unidirectional, has a rock solid feel with loud audible clicks and moderate resistance. It has a flat sapphire crystal with AR coating, and it sits just above the bezel. It has the signature Swordfish design cues, such as a distinctive angular case that's mostly brushed with subtle use of high polish to add some visual interest. The sandwich dial, which has excellent lume, the broad handset with nice finishing, the color-matched date disc with the date placement at the 6 o'clock position, giving nice symmetry to the dial, the dodecagon elements separating the bezel from the dial, a lumed bezel insert, and a broad tooth bezel grip that has good grip without feeling sharp. To add scratch resistance to the gorgeous mother of pearl bezel insert on this model, Zelos has coated it with epoxy resin. Time will tell how effective it is, but it shows that Zelos is innovating and not cutting corners. The bracelet is updated to include quick release end links to make strap changes quick and easy. The bracelet tapers from 20mm to 18mm at the clasp and is mostly brushed, with high polish being used only for the subtle beveled edges on the sides of the bracelet. The biggest innovation, in my opinion, comes at the clasp. I knew it was updated to have a tool-free, on-the-fly adjustable clasp, but when I discovered that the release button is the Zelos logo on the outside of the clasp, that to me was a game changer. With this feature, you no longer need to take the watch off your wrist to either tighten or loosen the bracelet. This is simply outstanding from Zelos, and I commend them for pushing the boundaries to elevate their product and have great execution. This watch was purchased from Zelos directly for the early launch price of $329 US, which includes fast DHL shipping. I will include a link to their website in the description below. I suspect that once the next batch is produced and ready for sale, it'll likely sell for $399 US, and even at that price, this watch delivers an overall package that is stunning for the asking price. You get a premium watch roll that holds 3 watches. The watch itself is incredibly refined, and Zelos has raised the bar in terms of getting a high-quality, well-made watch with original design that is executed to a very high level. Thanks for joining me today for this unboxing and initial impressions review of the latest Zelos Swordfish 40mm in stainless steel with the mother of pearl teal dial. If you like this video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to help us produce more content like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.